Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can make your iPhone alarms louder. Okay, let's go to the clock app. Okay guys, open your clock app. It's inside the utility folder. Okay, this is the app clock. Open it. Okay, now go to the alarms tab. It's on the bottom of the screen. Okay, now you have two options. You can edit an existing alarm or you can create a new alarm. To edit the existing, just tap on it. Okay, now you will see the sound option. Just tap there. Okay, so here you can choose different sounds. Choose a sound, then use your volume up button to make your alarm tone louder. Okay, for the new alarm also you can do the same thing. Okay, or you can go to settings, app directly. Here scroll down and go to sounds and haptics. Now on the top of the screen, ringtone and alerts are there. You have to make it maximum. Okay, that's it. Likewise, you can make your iPhone alarms louder. If this sound is not working for you, you can use some third-party apps like this loud alarm. Okay, I'll show you a test. So this was the app. You can use the app for a louder alarm sound. And as the app is saying, you don't want to hear their next level of sound. So that's it guys. By following these steps, you can ensure your iPhone alarm is loud enough to wake you up, even if you are a heavy sleeper. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can make your iPhone alarms louder. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.